Hi, this is John Sonmez from Pluralsight, and in this module we're going to be covering using dialogues in our Android application. Dialogues are a very useful part of the Android framework that allows us to give the user some notification of an event that has occurred or to get a quick selection from a user. So they're very useful in building our Android applications, and I'm going to show you how to use them today. So the first thing that we're going to look at is dialog management. Android provides a framework and a flow for managing our dialogues in our application. If we use Android's dialog management, it'll handle a lot of the work for us, and we can just plug in the parts that Android asks for us to provide. We'll also cover the types of dialogues. There's several different types that we can choose from when creating our Android application, and I'll briefly cover each one of those types. Then we'll talk about creating an alert dialog, and we'll actually show you how to create an alert dialog in your Android application. We'll create an alert dialog for our protein tracker application and get some input from the user. Then we'll look at creating a progress dialog. I'll show you how to create a progress dialog in your Android application and some of the different variations that exist for progress dialogs. And finally, we'll take a look at creating a custom dialog. We'll go through the code required to create a custom dialog and create a custom layout for that dialog.